Hello, cryptopreneurs. Welcome to today's edition of CEOs, Crypto Edutainment and Opportunities. All right, so today we are going to be making money with DYDX. All right, so DYDX. But just before we continue, let's go for a tomato timeout. Okay, yeah. All right, so today you can see I've taken a good chunk of this tomato and it's very good for your body. It's a very good natural immune booster. Okay, so you should consider taking this regularly. Tastes nice. All right, so let's dive into the business of today. All right, so before we comment on the DYDX, let's check the price update for today. For the past 2 weeks, Bitcoin has been doing wonderfully well. Okay, the price just soared from around 16,000 region to currently is around $22,957,000. And some people are like, really? Did this really happen? But just before we continue, let's check the market cycle. Okay, if there are 4 cycles, okay, we have the runoff stage, we have the accumulation stage, we have the markup of runoff, and we also have the distribution stage, then the rundown. And we also have what is called the psychology of the market cycle. And you can see, yeah, currently, if you ask me, we're around the depression and disbelief region. Okay, and a lot of people are like, hey, crypto is scam. Yeah, when Bitcoin was around $16,000, people were like, hey, crypto is a scam. Bitcoin has ruined my life. The crypto market has taken all my wealth and money away. Hey, yeah, we know it's a risky market, but it operates in what is called the market cycle. Okay, so currently we are in the disbelief stage, somewhere around the depression and disbelief stage, because a lot of people are like, hey, it's a scam. But all of a sudden, Bitcoin started rising from 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Now it's around $23,000. I'm like, is this for real? Like, okay, so people are thrown into disbelief, but I'm expecting that probably there will be a retracement, because after the runoff, so I'm expecting Bitcoin to still retrace a little, and there's a possibility that we might see an upshoot in price very soon, maybe to the next resistance level, which is around $25,000. Okay, you can see the next resistance level I'm expecting is to be around this region. Okay, so Bitcoin might rally up to this region and actually come down again, retrace to around 21,000 region before we start experiencing a gradual upward push. Okay, right, so we are still in the accumulation stage, a time for you to accumulate as much token as possible, and that is why we are going into the DYDX. Yes, the DYDX, and this is what the DYDX chart looks like today. Okay, today the DYDX is going for about $2.4. Yes, I dropped it in my Telegram group when it was around $1.5 or so. Okay, you can see around $1.5. Okay, I'm currently loving the DYDX project. Yeah, it's very good. You know, currently I've been in love with layer 2 protocol. All right, so you can see the DYDX has actually claimed 7.42% of the entire market share of the total value lock in layer 2 blockchain. Okay, so the DYDX is actually performing very good. They are using the ZK rollup and they are telling you to come and trade for free. So you can see, let's dive into the chart. By the way, if you would like to join my Telegram group, you can find the link in the description section below. And if it's not there, just find a way around it if you want to join. Okay, all right, so this is DYDX and this is a 1 day time frame. Okay, so you can see this is the accumulation region. This is like a triple bottom. All right, so we've seen the price of the DYDX over around this region for a while now. Let me change this to a 1 week time frame so that we can see we're having a triple bottom. Okay, you can see I think it's more obvious now. Price got rejected around this region. The same thing here, it have a bounce around this region, and the same thing here too, also have a bounce around this region. Okay, so it means this is actually a major support level, and that is why we are having something like a triple bottom here. Okay, and also where we have a triple bottom, we also have a neck region. Okay, so we have a neck region here. That is why this is actually an area of value. Okay, you can see this is a resistance level. So price has actually been ranging around this period from within the $1 to around this $2.7 for a while now, since sometime around May 2022. Okay, so the price is just trying to break out of this region. Okay, and once the price breaks out of this region, boom, we are heading to the moon. Okay, so DYDX I think is a very good buy right now. Even right now, a lot of people that bought when I gave the call in my Telegram group are already on over 60-70% profit, but there's still room for you to make as much as 3, 4, 5x. Okay, so currently the price is about $2.4, but I'm expecting a little retracement, then an upward push. Okay, so now this is an area of value. You can see the price got rejected around this region, got down to the support level, got rejected here again, and currently we are in this resistance level. Okay, so is the price actually going to get rejected and move downwards? I don't really think so. Okay, for now, this is what I think will happen to the price. There will be a price movement around there and there will be a breakout. All right, so just before we continue, don't forget to like this video. Yeah, just hit up the like button, and if you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button and put on the notification bell for more updates on CEOs, crypto entertainment, and opportunities. All right, so let's get down to business. There will be a price movement around there, and there will be a breakout to around 3.1. They probably have a little consolidation here, then we have an upward move. Okay, so where are we expecting the price to get to? Okay, so let me draw my Fibonacci. Remember how to draw your Fibonacci. If you've not if you don't know about Fibonacci, you can watch my full course video. The link will also be available in the description below, so you know how to use your Fibonacci tool in your technical analysis to predict the price movement of a coin or token. Okay, so you take it from up and drag it down to the lowest point. Okay. Yeah, so after this, what I'm actually expecting next is for this to happen. Okay, from here we should have a breakout, let's say around this region, that will have a consolidation here, then hit this next resistance level, then probably retrace a little, then go to the next resistance level, then probably go further. Okay, so I'm actually expecting the price to go far more than what it is right now. Just before we break the resistance level, you can see the RSI is somewhere around, the RSI is kind of high around the overbought region, so we are expecting the price to retrace a little. Okay, all right, so if you're going in for the long term, which is very good, you can just hop into DYDX right now, and you might still see price rally to around $7-8. Yeah, and around $8 should be plus or minus around 4x, plus or minus 3-4x from where the current price is. Okay, so you can still make good money. So if you're going in for the long term, or for mid long term, you can still hop into the current price now, or if you want to just trade on it, wait for a little retracement using the RSI, then once you have a very good signal, you can just hop in and make some good profit for yourself. Okay, so DYDX is a very good entry for you, both for short and for long term hold. Okay, so even if the price has gone against you, you don't have to sell off, you can just hold, and definitely it will still come back up in future. Okay, yeah, by the way, DYDX is a decentralized exchange that trades more on perpetual trading, perpetual contract. Okay, so and they have been performing very well in recent time. Yeah, you can see yesterday they released a tweet and said DYDX saw $1.1 billion in 24 hours trade volume and 384,000 trades yesterday, just in one day. This exchange is growing massively. Okay, so yeah, is there hope for their token? Yeah, I think so. If you will ask me, I'll say yeah, their token will do very well in future. Okay, though they use it as a reward system, but I think I'm pretty sure, though the DYDX token is used as a reward system, but I'm pretty sure the exchange want to uphold the value of their token so strong to give value to their token and their investors, to give value to people who are trading and locking up their token in the DYDX. So actually, both in trading and in total value lock, they've actually been recording new highs. Okay, so guys, this is a good news for the DYDX token holders. Okay, you can see the DYDX Foundation and other certain parties has actually met and decided to postpone the release of their investors DYDX token, which is supposed to be, I think, sometime around January. Yeah, it has been postponed to December 1st of 2023. Okay, so there have been a lot of news that, okay, once this token is released, there will be a dump and there will be a huge sell-off pressure, which will lead to decrease in the price of the DYDX token. But recently, the DYDX Foundation has actually postponed the release of their token. Okay, so the quantity we have in circulation can actually scale up in price. Okay, currently we have about 156 million token in circulation. Okay, yeah, it means I think we can actually see a new all-time high. Okay, you can see the all-time high of the DYDX is somewhere around $26. So yeah, so if you will ask me, I would say before the end of 2023, yeah, my price prediction for the DYDX token is before the first week or before the ending of the second week of December, we're expecting DYDX to rally up to over $20. Yes, I'm telling you, DYDX will rally to over $20. Okay, so I'm expecting, and that will be about 10x from now. So if you are an investor, you can just decide to throw in some money into DYDX and leave it for a while, just a year, and I'm telling you, less than a year, you're going to have plus or minus 10x of whatever you put in as your investment. So you can consider this is not a financial advice, but I'm telling you, this is my prediction for the DYDX token. Okay, yeah, sometimes not trading is a better trading technique. Yes, because if you just buy and hold, you have the potential of making more profit than just buying and trading. Buy today, sell tomorrow, buy today. You might not actually get the best profit from every trade from that token. Okay, so you can just buy and hold, and you will actually get very good profit margin, okay, from holding. All right, so thank you very much. That will be all for now. I remain the Bishop of Crypto Cathedral. If you're watching my video for the first time, make sure you hit the subscribe button, yeah, and turn on the notification bell. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your family and friends. Thank you very much. Yeah, you can see the link to my Telegram group available in the description section below. I remain the Bishop of Crypto Cathedral, bringing you more on CEOs, crypto entertainment, and opportunities. Do have a wonderful day.